In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot email workflows. Let's dive right in and take you through each step of this process, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate and set up your workflows with confidence. First off, let's begin by heading over to the HubSpot's trial guide. This is your starting point for exploring various features that HubSpot offers, especially when it comes to creating and managing email workflows. Once you're on the dashboard, you should see a menu on the left-hand side. From here, go ahead and click on the Automation section. This is where you'll set the foundation for creating a system that automates your email communication efficiently. Now that you're in automation, the next step is to focus on workflows. Clicking on Workflows will direct you to the heart of the HubSpot automation tool where you'll manage the flow and sequence of your emails. Think of workflows as the blueprint for your automated processes. They allow you to set triggers, actions, and conditions to target your audience exactly when you want. Once inside Workflows, you'll want to click on the Manage tab. This is where you'll oversee all the active and draft workflows you have in place. Managing them effectively means ensuring that everything is running smoothly and tweaking the flow as needed based on your specific goals. The next step is to delve into Analyze tab. This option is crucial as it allows you to monitor the effectiveness of your workflows. With Analyze, you can keep an eye on performance metrics and make data-driven decisions that optimize your strategy. Following the Analyze tab, you'll want to click on Health. This gives you a snapshot of how well your workflows are functioning on a broader scale, from open rates to click-through rates. By regularly checking the health of your workflows, you ensure they're not just functioning, but performing at their best. Continuing, navigate to the Marketing section. Here, you'll find specific marketing-related workflows, helping you to optimize your campaigns and engage users effectively. This section can be a powerhouse for maximizing your reach and customizing your marketing efforts. Next, you'll select the Email option. This is where the magic happens in building your email templates and messages. By focusing here, you can craft emails that are not only visually appealing, but also tailored to meet the needs of your audience. Now, to truly bring your workflow to life, click on Create Email. This is your workspace for designing and curating the actual content you wish to send out. Here you have the freedom to be creative while aligning with your overall strategy. Finally, after creating your email, choose the regular option for your email type. This will allow you to set up a campaign that feels personal and less automated, ensuring an authentic connection with your audience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the art of setting up email workflows in HubSpot. Remember, effective workflows aren't something you set and forget. They require ongoing adjustment and analysis to ensure they deliver value and meet your marketing objectives. Thank you for joining me today, and happy emailing!